Dad, I think something is wrong with the fridge. The milk isn't cold.
Really? Did you check if the door was closed properly?
Yes, it was closed, but when I opened it just now, it felt warm inside.
Maybe the power plug is loose. Let me check.
The plug seems fine. Could it be because we kept too many things inside?
That's possible. If the air circulation is blocked, the cooling won't work properly.
So should we take some items out?
Yes. Also, I'll call the repair guy. If it's a gas issue or the compressor problem, we can't fix it ourselves.
Okay, I'll make a list of what needs to be thrown away before it spoils.
Ankit, go check why there's no water in the kitchen tap.
Wait, I'll check the bathroom too. Oh no, there's no water anywhere.
That means the water tank must be empty.
But I saw the tap running in the morning.
Maybe we used a lot of water today. Did you leave the garden hose on?
Oh, I think I did. I was watering the plants and forgot to turn it off.
Ankit, that's why the tank is empty. Now we'll have to wait for the water supply in the evening.
Sorry, Mom. I'll be careful next time.
Yes, please. Water is precious and we shouldn't waste it.